Hi everyone, in this episode of Erik's Graphics, I am going to share with you the easiest hack you can apply to make your flipchart go visual. I'm going to show you how to draw nice frames around written text, and you'll be amazed with how much impact this has on the visual experience of your flipchart. This hack is great for people who haven't really started drawing easy icons and who just want to start out with written text and making it more visual. I'm going to cover how to draw frames around titles, how to draw frames around statements, and how to draw the general frame around the flipchart. I'm also going to cover a couple of variations that you can apply quickly for these frames. Welcome to Erik's Graphics. I am Erik, and my mission is to make business feel more heartfelt. If you haven't been before, I'm Erik, the host of Erik's Graphics. If you like this video, leave a like, feel free to comment or to ask a question. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button to get notified of my new videos. So let's dive into the video. The reason why framing contributes so much to the visualization of a flipchart is the fact that frames provide spatial structure. While the left brain is apt at scanning very systematic way, i.e. left to right, top to bottom, the right brain is triggered by images and spatial relationships. When something feels more visual, it probably means that the right brain has been teased. Let's explore this in some examples. First up is the title. There's nothing wrong with just boxing it in. You start with the line on the left-hand side. You draw the top of the box. Then you draw the right side, and you make sure that you are approximately par with the left-hand side. And then you close the box, and most of the time people, when they close the box, they end up anywhere but the end of that line. And what you want to do is, when you start drawing the line, keep your eyes on the end of that line. Meaning, if I start drawing here, I'm not looking at the tip of the pen, I'm actually already looking at the end of that line on the right hand side. And that way you can properly close your box. Now the box already looks fine, but you can spice it up a little bit. And you can make a banner out of it. And making a banner is super easy. You just draw what seems like a square hidden behind the box. That's already nice. That gives some sort of perspective of depth to your title. But if you add this line and this line, connecting this corner to that corner and that corner to that corner, you create the effect or the illusion as if you have bent the paper here a bit. Now that's one way to spice it up. Another way to spice it up is to draw a cloud around your title. That's something I use a lot, just to make people start activating their creative side. It's a little bit more warm and it's a little bit more inviting, this title. Now the final title type that I would like to show you is the paint splash. And that's one that you can really use to make people want to take action. Like a brainstorming session. Splash. All right. Second up is the statements. Watch out, I don't want to rip the paper here. I prepared this flipchart beforehand. Voila. Some statements. So what you can do with statements is you can start with drawing the box again, just like we did with the title. But instead of making it like a banner, you can add pins. And adding pins is really easy. In the corner, you just draw a line and you add a circle. And make sure that you draw these lines outwards, like it needs to feel like it's leaving the center of the statement. Yeah, gives you the effect of like having pinned down this this part. Another thing you could do is you could draw the box again, and I'm breaking my rule here. Should have started on the left hand side. Voila. And then you've got the statement here. And what you can do is you just make it into, add some tape. And the last one is just to make things fancy, and that is actually adding a scroll. And how do you draw that? You start with the top line, you drop down, and you make a whirl here. And then on the other side, you're going to draw a line that doesn't make a hard angle. You just make like a rounded corner here, and you close at the whirl. Then you add some lines here to connect. You just make a horizontal line to connect. Here the same and here the same. 3 lines to connect. And you get the illusion that you have a scroll. Another nice way to emphasize a statement. Now, it's good practice to make a giant box enveloping the whole flip chart. The idea is to close the flip chart. And how do you do that? So my method is I start just like the box on the left hand side, because I'm right-handed. I go and draw the top of the box here, and then I draw a straight line down, watching the right hand side, and then I close the box using the hack I just explained. Don't look at the tip of the pen. Look at where the pen needs to go. And that's how you close the box nicely. So just to give a quick recap, if you're just starting out in your journey into visual facilitation or visual communication, bear in mind that framing is probably your easiest step up. We have covered how you can frame titles with a box and upgrade that into a banner, a cloud, or a paint splash. You can frame statements also with a box, add some pins, tape, or you can draw on a scroll. And finally, you close your flip chart by drawing the big frame, enveloping the information on your flip chart. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it is of value to you. If you like this video, please leave a like and a comment. Feel free to share this video with your peers. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it. You'll get notified of new videos I'm posting. See you soon. Bye.